The Saudi Arabian military is projected to be ranked among the top 25 strongest armies globally and second in the Arab world by 2026, thanks to massive strategic upgrades focused on localizing military industries, strengthening the Air Force and air defense, and investing in advanced technology. Saudi Arabia boasts a high level of readiness to defend vital sites and possesses one of the world's largest defense budgets. Key capabilities of the Saudi Arabian military in 2026. Global and Arab ranking. It solidifies its position among the top 25 military forces globally and ranks second in the Arab world. Air Force. It possesses the second strongest air force in the Arab world, with an estimated 917 diverse military aircraft, fighters, helicopters, transport and training aircraft. Air Defense. Enhanced defensive capabilities to counter missile and drone threats with a focus on advanced systems. Localization of industry. Continued investment in localizing defense industries to reduce reliance on imports. Manpower. The active duty force is estimated at 478,000 personnel, in addition to 325,000 reservists. Ground equipment. Possessing a massive arsenal that includes more than 1,200 tanks, thousands of armored vehicles, and advanced artillery. Key capabilities of the Royal Saudi Air Force 2026. Fleet size. The kingdom possesses a fleet exceeding 900 diverse aircraft fighters, attack aircraft, trainers, transport aircraft, and helicopters. Main fighter jets. The advanced F-15SA and Eurofighter Typhoon aircraft form the backbone of Saudi air superiority. Attack capabilities. The fleet includes approximately 283 fighter and interceptor aircraft, 81 attack aircraft, 260 helicopters, and 34 attack helicopters. Aerial refueling. The kingdom possesses the third largest aerial refueling fleet in the world. Future projects. Saudi Arabia is participating in the Global Combat Air Program, GCAP, to develop a new fighter jet and is seeking to acquire the F-35 stealth fighter. Training and readiness. Hosting large-scale air exercises such as Spears of Victory 2026 reflects a high level of readiness and skill.